10 most effective ways lose weight naturally through Ayurveda. Lose weight naturally through Ayurveda. Follow these natural methods to chuck out your extra fat in a very short time. Begin your day with warm lemon water. This will stimulate your bowels and improve your digestive system and keeps you fresh all day through. Meditation is a must thing in the morning. Relax your body and mind by doing 10-15 minutes of meditation. Meditation reduces your stress levels which cause your weight gain. It also helps you stay focused. Opt for seasonal food diet. Ensure you eat loads of seasonal fruits and veggies. This not only keeps your system balanced but also supplies essential vitamins and nutrients to your body, and thus keeping your body weight under control. Make sure to walk after every heavy meal. Having 3 meals a day on time can help you get rid of your excess weight. Heavy breakfast, healthy lunch, and a light dinner. In Ayurveda, there are 6 tastes: sour, bitter, sweet, salty, pungent, and astringent. Make sure you integrate all these tastes into your everyday diet. Drink plenty of water. It is one of the most effective ways to lose weight. Drink at least 8-10 glasses of water every day to flush out the toxins. Drinking water before meals aids in hunger control. Exercise daily. Start the day with a 30-minute workout, and gradually increase it to an hour. When you exercise, you sweat and shed your extra flab. If you want to have a fit and toned body, you should go to bed early and rise early. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain. Make sure to restrict your screen time during the late night. It is beneficial both to your physical and mental health. Impression: stay healthy, stay fit, and stay active with Ayurveda. It is possible, just try it.